Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how we use our new braiding wraps. They're really simple. They come in four sizes, 15 inch, 20 inch, 25 inch and 30 inch. So it ranges from being able to use as a short bob, as on your shoulders, shoulder blades, down to your back, so for your hair length. I'm just going to show you a quick and easy way on how to use the shorter one on medium length hair. So if you want to come in a minute. So all we do is we just take a section from the front, like that, and there's a little sliding knot there. We just open that up, we just thread that hair through, and then we just tighten that up, and that's on there now. We're going to slide the first bead up, so it's like that. Next, what we're going to do, for just a really simple look, we're just going to take another little square section of hair there, just like that, and we're going to hold it with the first section of hair, and then we will pop that like that, and then we're going to twist it as if you're putting in a hair bubble, and then we bring the hair back through. It goes a bit loosey-goosey for a minute, and then we just tighten it back, and then the next bead gets pushed up like that, and then once again we take a section, put it with the first section, the hair goes through, we twist it, pull the hair back through, shimmy it into position, and a bead goes up like that. So we would just repeat that with however much more that we wanted to add in, or you can just leave it like that and just have it hanging down. So it's really, really cute and a good way to be able to use the shorter length, which is actually, yeah, that was a shorter length. So I'm going to show you another quick way to do it. To take it out, you just follow backwards what we just did. As you can see, the hair is still lovely, no damage there. So to do like a French braid look, what we do is we do the first bit as normal. We take a little section, then we take a bit from the bottom, and we just take a little rectangle of hair, go through, twist it at the back, pull the hair back through, tighten it, bead goes on, and then we just repeat that step. Each time we just pick up a small rectangle bit of hair, twist it back through, bead goes up, of course yours will be neater because you're not rushing with minimal video time. So it's like that. So we've got the French braid look. Just excuse that bit, I didn't do that bit very neat. But Yeah, so that's how we can use the shorter lengths on any length hair. The shorter one will work if you just want to do this front section of braiding. Check out the next video to see how we do the full French braid.